Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat camera not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your Snapchat camera isn't working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Snapchat. So open up your App Store or Play Store, and here you just have to simply search for Snapchat. And here you have to make sure that there is no any update available, or if you have any update here, you must have to download and install this update on your phone. So simply tap on this update option if you have any update here, or if you haven't, you just have to open your settings, and in settings go for apps, then go for Snapchat. Simply tap on it, and here you will get the camera. You must have to disable that toggle. Once you have disabled, simply enable it again. It will make a refresh into your camera access of Snapchat application, so you must have to try again with opening your Snapchat. So here you can see that Snapchat camera is working now. But if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you must have to restart your phone. It might be that your phone needs a restart, so it can make issues through opening some apps or some permissions. So you must have to make a force restart your phone. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So you must have to try this. So quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. So you must have to wait for it. And once you have black screen, wait for Apple logo here. And once you have Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone, yeah, until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, it will fix if the phone have any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix out a Snapchat camera not working in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.